Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we got some more BoxyCharm survey spoilers. Now these were sent to me by Carmen. I just want to thank you, Carmen. Thank you, honey. These are the craziest spoilers I've ever seen from BoxyCharm. So I'm excited to tell you guys what they are. So guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe spoilers and dates. Well, thank you so much, Diana Engel Wilson. Diana says, first comment. That's right, Diana, honey. You got it. You were quick on that bell, and I really appreciate you having your notifications on. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either search about and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and you don't need that right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, I would like to thank Carmen for sending me these survey spoilers, because these are going to blow y'all out the water. I ain't never in my life seen this stuff. Some of this stuff is like, I've never seen nothing before like it, especially this one brand. So guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Now again, these could be possible future spoilers. You know, any item that gets enough upvotes on it in these surveys, of course, ends up in a box later on. So I'm excited to see which ones that these make it. So the first few items I'm going to name off is from a brand called Maylee's Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand, and some of these items are crazy, guys. But, I mean, who knows, they might work. So the first thing from this brand is called the Be Perky Lift and Firm Breast Mask. This is valued at $39. I told y'all. I warned y'all. Now the next item is called Be Flat Belly Firming Cream. This is valued at $49. And then next is called the Be Tight Lift and Firm Booty Mask, valued at $49. Y'all, I told y'all. I warned y'all this stuff was crazy. But who knows, it might work. What if it does work, guys? I'd love to hear some reviews on this stuff. Now next up is this, I keep calling it Cuccio, but I think it's Cuccio or something like that. It's so... Cuccio Somatology. I don't know, y'all. Anyways, the first item is the post-workout cooling body scrub, valued at $38. And then next is the same brand, and this is the Savasana Calming Body Oil, and that is valued at $34. And then they have this other product. This is the Peppermint Cooling Scrub, and that is valued at $38. Now next we're getting into Grande Cosmetics. Now we have seen them in BoxyCharm before, so I'm excited to see this stuff too. So the first thing is the Grande Lash Lift Heated Lash Curler, valued at $35. Guys, that's heated. That will curl your lashes. And next up, I really want to save this for last, but since it's the same brand, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all what it is. This is the Grande Cosmetics Hair Enhancing Serum. Guys, this is valued at $125. What? Wow. Alright guys, next up, this is the brand Juice Beauty. And again, we've seen a couple of items in BoxyCharm from this brand, so I'm excited to see what this is. This is the Prebiotics Instant Flash Facial. Kind of neat looking item here. This is valued at $52. And then the last item that we have is the Ren Clean Skincare Clean Screen. This is valued at $38. I believe this is a sunscreen, y'all. But anyways, guys, again, I told y'all, I warned y'all that these items might be a little bit weird. But you know what? I'm eager to see what makes it to BoxyCharm. So let me know what you think about these items down in the comments section. Again, thank you so much, Carmen, for sending me these surveys. Of course, as soon as I reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. Lynn says, first, love you, Mandy. Well, Lynn, honey, there was one comment ahead of you. But, honey, you know I pick comments. You got more than one chance of getting it. And Lynn, I couldn't appreciate it more, honey. And I didn't know you had a channel. I went and I hit your big red button. And I'm looking forward to watching some videos. And Lynn, thank you so much for coming and watching mine. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave out a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And guys, I want to thank Lindsay, Steve, April, Jennifer, and also Celeste for donating to my PayPal. I couldn't believe it. And I swear one day, as soon as I'm able, I'm going to pay this forward. Jennifer, honey, you about knocked me out my damn chair. Let me tell you, you got me on that one. I love you, girl. Thank you. And Lindsay and Steve and April and Celeste, oh, I couldn't appreciate it more, guys. I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. And guys, also, April has a really amazing Instagram. It is called Nerdy Girl Loves Makeup. I'm going to list it below in my description box. Make sure you go give her a follow. She does cosplay and all kinds of stuff, guys. You will love her. I couldn't appreciate it more. Guys, I don't know what I would do if y'all weren't in my life. I swear, I really don't know what I'd do. I'd probably be living in a box right now, if you want to know the truth about it. And guys, again, as soon as I get any test results back and see the heart specialist, and I have any more updates for y'all, I will be doing that video. And again, I appreciate everything y'all do. I appreciate y'all being here watching my videos and being subscribed to my channel. That means the world to me. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.